In this video, we're going to look at creating questions using Microsoft Forms and then sharing that duplicate copy with other colleagues. So to begin with, if you log into your portal, go into Microsoft Office, if you've logged into the portal, it should take you directly to the Office 365 login. From here, we're choosing Microsoft Forms. This is where your forms will be populated. In this case here, I've started already the Year 10 midterm test. If you wanted to, you could start a new quiz. So this is where you can assign marks. If you're doing a survey, then you would select a new form. So let's have a look at Year 10 Midterm Test 2. So I've already named that up the top here. I've given it a subtitle, so the topic is going to be on the universe, and I've already written the first two questions. This question here I haven't quite finished. We're going to include a diagram. So to edit this, I'm just going to click onto that. Then from here, over here, I can select Insert Media. In this case here, I'm going to select a picture. So selecting on Image, I'm then going to upload an image, one that I've already found before, and I've saved into my pictures just from the internet. In this case here, questions on parallax. So I open that, and that will automatically insert that picture into my question. You can do the same thing with videos, but these will be a bigger file size. You can edit that picture, so if you'd like to make it bigger, you can select that down here so that students are able to see that image. When you're creating your questions, you're just putting in your different options. You can add as many as you want, just clicking on Add Option. It automatically defaults and gives you 2. If you want to get rid of it, just deleting there. Making sure you select one response, so in this case here, this is our correct response, so we're going to select that one. And assign points, so in this case here, we're putting 1 point for getting this correct. We also select that it's required, that way the student has to answer this before submitting it. To add new questions, we just go to Add Question. In this case here, we're selecting just multiple choice, and it will automatically give you the next question, and you can fill in question options, and again, uploading any pictures that you might want to use. So once you've actually completed your quiz, and you want to share that, you can come over here and share. So I'm going to come over here. What we want to do is we want to have a duplicate copy. This will mean that at the moment, this test here, when I send this test out, the link for it to my students, I will actually get my class's responses in here. So to enable each teacher to collect responses just for their class, they will need their own copy of this. So we're going to share this as a template, so they will get a duplicate copy. So we just copy this link. So I just click copy, go down to my email, and then I can paste that link just like that, and then send that to whoever I want. In this case here, I'm going to send that to Shireen. So I send that link off. That will mean that when she clicks on that, she'll be able to see a duplicate copy open up into Forms, which she'll be able to edit and change to whatever she wants. And when she sends out a link to her class, and if we're just going back to Forms, so if I want to send that out to my class to collect responses, that's when I'm clicking this link. So, and only people within the DSC, so only students within the DSC will actually be able to use that link. So I copy that, go back to email, and then I can actually send that out to all of my students, and when they click on the link it will actually run as a test. So the duplicate copy is to share that with other teachers, whereas the copy here is to collect responses. Okay, and that's about it. Thank you.